Hi, welcome to TECHHELPLINE channel, and this is the tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to flip camera on BeReal. First step is to open your app and tap on take your BeReal. The camera will be open. Currently the camera is showing back camera image, so it's using back camera. So I can change it by the flip button, which is the rounded arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on that to flip the camera to your choice. So if I tap this, it's showing my front camera, and then shoot, and you're done. And this is how you flip camera on BeReal app. Hope this video helped you. If it did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.